Microsoft Dynamics CRM is one of the most powerful enterprise platforms in the world. Banks, governments, and Fortune 500 companies rely on it daily. Whether you're a developer looking to break into Dynamics or a .NET developer wanting to expand your skills, this is the complete guide. Architecture, customization, plugins, and integrations. Let's go. Section 1. What is Dynamics CRM? It's Microsoft's cloud-first platform for customer relationship management. It covers sales, customer service, marketing, and field service. The entire platform is built on Dataverse, which is basically a managed database with built-in security, APIs, and business logic. It's part of the Power Platform ecosystem alongside Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power BI. Section 2. Architecture. Dataverse is the foundation of everything. Think of it as a managed SQL database with superpowers. Tables like account, contact, lead, and opportunity come out of the box. Each table has columns, text, number, lookup references, option sets. Relationships connect tables. And security is built in. Business units, teams, and security roles control who sees what data at the row level. Section 3. Customization. The golden rule in Dynamics is, configure before you code. You can create custom tables, add columns, build forms, and set up business rules all without writing a single line of code. Business rules handle field validation. Business process flows guide users through stages. Power Automate handles workflow automation. Only when these aren't enough do you write plugins in C# or web resources in JavaScript. Section 4. Plugin development. This is where C# developers shine. Plugins are server-side classes that execute on database events, create, update, delete, retrieve. They run in a pipeline with stages: pre-validation, pre-operation, and post-operation. You access data through the iOrganization service. For example, validating that an account name isn't empty before saving, that's a pre-validation plugin. Section 5. Web API and integration. Dataverse exposes a RESTful OData v4 API. You can create, read, update, and delete records using standard HTTP calls from any application. Authentication uses OAuth 2.0 through Azure AD. For complex queries, you can use FetchXML. And for real-time event-driven integration, there are webhooks and Azure Service Bus triggers. Section 6. Power Automate. This is the low-code automation layer. You can create cloud flows that trigger when data changes in Dataverse. A lead is created, an opportunity is won, a case is escalated. It has built-in approval workflows, over 500 connectors to services like Outlook, Teams, and SharePoint, and it replaces the old classic workflow engine. For most automation needs, Power Automate is faster than writing plugins. Section 7. Solutions and Application Lifecycle Management. Solutions are containers that package all your customizations, tables, forms, plugins, flows, security roles into a single deployable unit. Unmanaged solutions are editable in Dev. You export them as managed solutions for test and production. And you can automate the entire pipeline with Azure DevOps CI/CD. Section 8. Career and certifications. Here's the exciting part. Dynamics 365 developers are in high demand with relatively low supply. Average salaries range from $90K to $150K in the US. If you already know C# and .NET, your skills transfer directly. Add Dataverse, plugins, and Power Platform knowledge, and you're job ready in 2 to 3 months. The PL400 certification is the key developer credential. And that's the complete guide to Microsoft Dynamics CRM for developers. From Dataverse architecture to plugin development, web API integration, and career opportunities. If you're a .NET developer, Dynamics is one of the best career moves you can make. Like and subscribe for more enterprise development content. Drop a comment if you want a hands-on plugin tutorial. See you in the next one.